Let's go to the 171st question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. They have given alternative and we have to select the thing. Horse is to mare, peacock is to dash. This is actually a good question, but you have to know the meaning of a single word to get the answer here. Horse is to mare is the question. What is the meaning of a mare? Can you people know what is the meaning of a mare? Mare means it is a female horse. Female horse is a male. So you have to find the female thing for this one. So what is the female thing for peacock? And obviously without even looking at the option, we can clearly say the thing. And let us anyway read the options because there may be some twist there. And the options are option A, peahen, option B, cub, option C, bull, and option D, sparrow. Cub is a child of a lion is known as a cub, and bull obviously not. Sparrow is a bird. So peacock, the female version is peahen. So the answer option is option A, peahen. Let's move on to the further questions. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. And again a verbal analogy question. Tailor is to scissor implies dash. The answer options are writer is to pen, driver is to drives, gardener is to grow, carpenter is to table. So they are asking us to find the relation between tailor is to scissor first. If we find the relation between tailor is to scissor initially, we can find the second relation between according to the question. Tailor is to scissor. What is the purpose of a tailor to have scissor? Actually, it's his instrument to stitch cloths and cut the things, unload the things. So a tailor uses an instrument, scissor. In the same way, what does the above mentioned people use? What does a writer use? What does a driver use? What does a gardener use? Or what does a carpenter use? If you can find the logic here, you can easily find. And anyway, the correct answer is writer is to pen, because the job of writer is to write. The instrument he is using here is pen. So this is the correct answer. And driver is to drive doesn't follow the logic here also. And whereas gardener is to grow, obviously he is going to grow the plant. But what is the instrument he is using? So the third option is also wrong. And carpenter is to table is also a wrong thing, because table is the end product of a carpenter and it is not an instrument used by a carpenter to make the end product. I think you can understand me. So we can move on to the 173rd question. From the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. And we have solved many questions like this. There will be a word given and options given. We have to find which option cannot be formed from the question word. This question is asked in the year SSC JEE 24th January 2018 afternoon session. Relinquish is the question. Linear, rise, resin and shine are the options here. Here the word relinquish has certain number of alphabets. We have to see which option doesn't have the concerned alphabets. If we see linear has the same alphabets, and let us go to rise. Rise is R-A-I-S-E. Look at carefully. A. Is there any A here in relinquish? Obviously not. And without even looking the other option, we can say 100% this is the correct answer. In this type of questions alone, if there is the first option itself correct means we can directly go this as a correct answer, because there are no possibilities here to twist us also. So let's go to the 174th question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same dictionary question asked in the year SSC JEE 24th January 2018 afternoon session. Option 1 sickly, option 2 shrivel, option C shrived, option D sinful, option E singer. These are the options here. And I think you can solve it very easily here because these questions we have solved lots and lots of questions in dictionary sequence, and I will say the answer option, and you can just make a sequence with the alphabet present in the words. And the answer option is option A, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. Okay guys, is it easy? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 175. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same question as the previous one. This question is also asked in the same question paper. SSC JEE 24th January 2018 afternoon session. First one primary, second one previous, third one presence, fourth one preside, fourth one prestige. So if you just solve this question according to the dictionary sequence, you can easily find the answer, and you will do it yourself. I know that. The answer option is option B, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Easy guys. Let's move on to the 176th question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same question, dictionary question. This question is also asked in the same question paper, SSC JEE 24th January 2018 afternoon session. The options are please, plunge, plummet, plush, plusher. And if you look out the options, before looking out the options, just make the words in a sequence and you will get the answer as option B. 1, 5, 3, 2, 4 is the answer. Let's go to the next question. 177. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. And this is a good question, I think. You have to know the meaning of the words in this question to solve this question, because then only you can solve this question, otherwise it is difficult for you to solve the question. So, this question is asked in the year SSC JEE 24th January 2018. The options are, from these options you have to find the odd word out. Cataract, rickets, iron, goiter. Can you people just relate these words? I think if you people study the science, if you are good at science in your school ages, I think it will be easy for you to solve this question. What is a cataract? Cataract is a eye disease. Cataract is a eye disease. Then what is rickets? Rickets is a bone disease. Rickets is a bone disease. What is iron? Let us just keep it for reserve, and we will go to goiter. Goiter is a disease which forms in the thyroid. Thyroid related disease is called goiter. So this is on thyroid. So these options are each and first, second and fourth option are diseases, and the third option alone is not a disease, it's iron. If they have given as iron deficiency, that might also be a disease, but if they are given like that, we can't get the answer. So iron will be the answer option here. The answer for 177 is iron, and you can note down the meaning of these things also, because it will be useful for you to in further questions also. Maybe in next year also this type of questions can be asked, not in the same sequence. The sequence can be changed and the question also can be changed. Like they may ask what is the meaning of goiter and give some examples like that. So please note on this, it will be helpful for you really. The answer option here is iron for 177th question. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 178. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. They have given an alternative. This is a very easy question. Sad is to happy implies dash. Option A, history is to old, modern is to ancient, economics is to mathematics, love is to beautiful. Can you figure out the meaning relation here? The relation is sad and happy are opposite to each other. So we have to find the opposite things. History and old. Obviously history means it's an old thing. So that is the meaning. Economics and mathematics, they both are subjects. They are not opposites. Love and beautiful, no, they are also not opposites. So modern and ancient. Modern means the current trend. Ancient means the trend which is followed many years before. So modern and ancient is the odd one out here. So that is the answer option also. The option B, modern and ancient. Let's move on to the 179th question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. They are given alternative. Blood is to red implies coal is to hot. Without, I trust in you guys. You guys can find this question without even looking at the options, because it is very simple, guys. Please solve this. I know you will solve this, because the color of the blood is red and color of the coal is black. Black is the answer, and they have given many properties of gold here, like coal, heat, coal solid, coal mine, like that. They are not related because they have asked the color of coal, so it is black. Answer for 179th question is option A, black. 180th question. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. Red means danger, implies dash. Option A, white, war. Yellow, cold. Blue, pain. Black, sorrow. This is a good question. I think all people know that red means danger, because it is used everywhere in all places to denote red as danger, and we have to find the same thing. White is to war. Is white really means war? You might have seen in like ancient movies, white means it's a symbol of peace, it's not the symbol of war. So this is not the answer option. Yellow means cold. Yellow is not definitely cold. Blue means pain. Is blue really means pain? No. Blue means poison. Black means sorrow. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Black is, the color black is used to denote the sorrows. For example, we people know that if there is a great leader in our country unfortunately dies, means we people used to have a black colored cloth, a piece of cloth here. So black determines sorrow. Black means sorrow. Let's move on to the next question. Let us go to the next question, 182. From the given alternatives, according to dictionary, which word will come at third position? This is the same dictionary type of question, and some options are given here. If you arrange the options in a perfect order of a dictionary, you will get the answer in the third position as pathetic. It's option D. 182, option D, pathetic. 183. According to dictionary, which of the following word will come at last position? And again a dictionary question, and if you arrange the question in a correct sequence, you will get the answer as orderly, option 2. And this is an easy question. Question number 184. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. Same question has been repeated in each and same question has been question means the type of question is repeated in same paper. Dictionary sequence question. Option 1, shocking. Option 2, shiver. Option 3, shelter. Option 4, shorten. And option 5, shudder. These are the options. If you arrange it in correct sequence, you will get the option as 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. It is option B. Let us go to the next question, 185. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. You have to select the odd word. The options, this question is asked in the year SSC JEE 23/1/2018 afternoon session. And the words are arteries, veins, hand and bone. If you are a biology student, not a biology student must only know this option. It's everyone might know it very easily, but it will be further easy for a biology student to guess the answer, because all the other things except hand, arteries, veins and bones are placed inside the body. Like arteries or veins are there in the heart, and bones are inside the skin, whereas hand is an outside part of the body. So hand is the answer option here. It is option C. Question number 186. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. We have to select the related word. It means the verbal analogy question. Calculator is to calculation implies scale is to what? The options are inches, centimeters, measure, steel. This question is asked in SSC JEE 23 January 2018 afternoon session, and it is very easy question. What is the purpose of a calculator? A calculator is used to calculate options, answers. So the work of a calculator is to do calculation. The work of a scale is to measure. So measure is the answer. Inches or centimeters are a part of a scale. It will be printed in a ruler. It will be printed in a scale. But the purpose of a scale is to measure. So the answer is option C, measure. Question number 187. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternative. Big is to small implies solid is to. So this question is asked in the year SSJE 23rd January 2018 afternoon session. Options are metal, liquid, smoke, geo, cold. So big is to small. What is the relation between big and small? They are the opposite to each other. So you have to find an option in the sequence of opposite word of a liquid, opposite word of a solid. What is the opposite word of a solid? Obviously it is liquid. So liquid is the answer. Option B, liquid. Question number 188. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternative. Heart is to organ implies dash. Option A, bus is to vehicle, car is to road, ship is to sea, train is to rail. Heart is to organ. What is the relation between heart and organ? And obviously the only relation between heart and organ is heart is an organ. So we have to find in such a way that there must be a general thing and what is the thing related to. So if you read the options clearly, the first option itself is the answer. We know that clearly. Bus is to vehicle means bus is obviously a vehicle. There are many types of vehicle like cars and etc. But bus is a vehicle. Like it is one of the type. Like heart is an organ, bus is a vehicle. Whereas the other options are wrong. I will say why they are wrong. Car is to road. They are just saying the traveling path of a car. So this is the wrong answer. Ship is to sea also. Traveling path is mentioned here. Train is to rail also. The traveling path only is mentioned here. So the answer is bus is to vehicle. Option A for the question 188. Let's move on to the next question 189. If CHATU is coded as, if CHATEAU is coded as DIBUFBW. This is a different question, and obviously it is an easy question. But this type of question we didn't see this type of question previously. This is a new question, but this is an easy question. For this question also, you just need to know the alphabets ABCD. It will be enough for you to solve this. If you look at this sequence, what is the relation between these words? They are the next letter of each other. C is next to D, H, I, A, B, T, U, E, F, A, B, U, and this is V. Not U, this is V. So what happens here is you have to code Fox in the same way. What is the next letters of F, O, X? After X, G will come, and after O, P will come, and after X, Y will come. This is the only possible option. So check out which option is the concerned thing. Option C, G, P, Y is the concerned thing for Fox. So for question number 189, option C is the answer. Let's move on to the 190th question. From the given alternatives, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. So a word is given. From the given options, you have to find which option cannot be formed using the alphabets in these words. So the options are option 1, shine, option 2, acute, option 3, strain, and option 4, China. And it is clear that for option 2, acute, E is not provided in this question. So acute cannot be formed using the alphabets in this word. Let's go on to the 191st question. This question is asked in the year 22 January 2018 afternoon session in SSJE. A series is given with one term missing. A series will be given, one term will be missing in it. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. So here is the series LMK. FGE, ZAY and TUS. Generally, initially if you could solve the logic between this question, it is easy for you to get the answer. The logic between this one is +1 and -2. And I have initially told you, when this type of alphabet questions are asked, you have to write ABCD in 5 rows and 5 columns order with a constant number with this. If you have written already, it will be easy for you. And if you check out each and every word here as the same logic, +2 -1 and +2 -1. And if you have to complete this sentence in the given option, check which option is in that same logic. Consider B, M, Q. B and M +1 is obviously not the correct one. S or P. R is before S. So it will come -1. So second also is a wrong option. L, Z, D. Difference between L and Z is more than 1. Everybody knows that. So that is also not right answer. N, O, M. And obviously this must be the correct answer, because after N, O will come +1 and O -2 is M. So option D is the correct answer for question number 191. Let us move on to the 192nd question. Arrange the given words in the sequence which they occur in the dictionary. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22nd January 2018 afternoon session. First one is outlet, outlook, second one outlet, third one outburst, fourth one ornament, and fifth one is outrageous. And this is same thing like a dictionary sequence question. And if you arrange the things in order according to dictionary sequence, you will get the option as option A 43215. 43215 is the answer, option A. Let us go to the 193rd question. From the given alternatives, according to the dictionary, which word will come at last position? Same dictionary question, but the sequence is changed. You have to not find the sequence, you have to find the last word. The options are opaque, ointment, orderly, ordinary. These are the things. The correct answer for this will be ordinary. You can find out if you order it. And again another dictionary question, but you have to find the second question here. Question number 194, SSC JE 22nd January 2018 afternoon session. This question has been asked. According to dictionary, which of the following word will come at second position? And the words are easily, earmark, ear, ease, and earthy. Other questions here. The options will be earthmark, earthy, ease, and easily. Here I have to clarify another thing. You have seen many dictionary questions, but this question is a little bit different. Most people will be thinking which will come first and which will come next. In a particular thing, ear and earthy, because the starting thing of this thing is same, but early is ending before itself, comparing to earmark and earthy. If you see this, all will get confused with these three options. Which will come first is the thing. When you look it out clearly, ear is completed here. There is no extra letter after this. But when you compare to these two letters, there is extra letters. So this is the thing which is going to come first. And you can easily find which will come second. M will come before T. So this is the second one. So option A, earmark, is the answer here for the question 194. Let's move on to the 195th question. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22nd January 2018 afternoon session. So you have to find the odd one: car, bus, truck, transport. And it's very easy, guys. Car, bus, truck are mode of transport, but transport is transport itself, so it is not a mode of transport. The other things are transporting vehicles. Okay, you can obviously understand it easily. The next thing is question number 196. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. You have to find the odd word out. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22/1/2018 afternoon session. The options are option A, lizard, option B, rabbit, option C, snake, and option D, crocodile. If you check each and every option closely, you can find that except the option B, rabbit, all the other things are reptiles. So, rabbit is a odd one here. Rabbit will be the answer here also. So, the answer is option B, rabbit. Let's move on to the 197th question. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. Same odd word question, and the options are hand, legs, lungs and ear. And we have seen this type of question previously also. If you look at the options, hand, leg and ear are in the outer part of the body, whereas lungs is in the inner part of the body. So, lungs is the answer here. Let's move on to the 198th question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternative. Hour is to minute implies kilometer is to question mark. Hour is to minute. What is the relation between this one? Hour is a minute is the shortest version of hour. In the same way, what is the shortest version of kilometer is the question. Generally, gram is not the shortest version of kilometer, and liter is also not the shortest version. Liter itself is a longer version of milliliter, so it is also the wrong answer. Weight. Kilometer is obviously a weight. Weight. Kilometer is a distance. Weight. When you compare weight is totally out of order, and the shortest version of kilometer is meter. Option A, meter is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 199th question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternative. The alternative is given a verbal analogy question. The options, the alternative are triangle is to figure, implies car is to what. This question is asked in the year SSC JEE 22nd January 2018 afternoon session. Option A, vehicle. Option B, seat. Option C, road. And option 4, white. Triangle is to figure. What is the relation between triangle is to figure? Triangle is a type of figure. There are many figures like a square, quadrilateral, rhombus. In the same way, triangle is a type of figure. So, what is car? Car is a type of vehicle. So, vehicle will be the answer here. Option A, vehicle. And we are finally up to the 200th question. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. And again, a verbal analogy question. Car is to tire implies dash. This question is asked in the year SSJE 22nd January 2018 afternoon session. And the options are house is to room, labor is to salary, camera is to photo, house is to people. So, initially you have to find car is to tire. What is the logic between car and tire? Tire is a component of a car. So, in the same way, you have to find component of other things. Is labor a component of salary? No. Is photo a component of camera? No. It is a feature of camera. It is not a component of camera. Component of camera means lens may be a component of camera, but photo is not a component of camera. House is to people. House is to people. Peoples are not generally component of camera. People are just people are living in the house. They are not component of a house. So therefore, house is to room will be the correct answer. Option A, house is to room. And we are going to the 201st question. From the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. Mercantile. Mercantile is the word, and the options are option A, truce, option B, learn, option C, trace, and option D, claim. And if you look at the option, in the very first option, truce, U is not presented. U is not present in the word mercantile. So, using the word mercantile, truce cannot be formed. Therefore, the answer option is option A, truce. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 202. From the given alternative, according to dictionary, which word will come at last position? So, there are a set of words. You have to arrange the words in dictionary sequence and find which is the last word. The words are juvenile, justified, judge and justice. And if you arrange it, juvenile will come in the last position. So, it is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 203. This question is asked in the year 22nd January 2018 forenoon session. According to dictionary, which of the following word will come at the third position? There are a set of words. You have to arrange the words again in dictionary sequence and find which word comes in the third position. Option 1, heritage. Option 2, helpful. Option 3, hectic. Option 4, heroic. Option 5, heroism. This is the question, and if you arrange it in the sequence, there will be the third position will be the answer, and there are some options here also. Hectic will come third position, or heritage will come in third position, or heroic will come in third position, or helpful will come in third position. If you analyze clearly, heritage will come in the third position. So heritage is the answer option here. Question number 204. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. So there is a set of words. Again, we have to arrange the dictionary sequence and say the order according to the number. Option 1, flagrant. Option 2, flavor. Option 3, flatter. Option 4, flick. And option 5, flaved. So if you arrange it, you will get an option, answer option, and I am going to reveal that the answer option is 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Option A for 204 question. Let us move to the 205th question. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22 January 2018 forenoon session. You have to find the odd word. Sparrow, rat, ostrich and parrot. Which is the odd word? You can obviously guess it very easily because except rat, all are the birds, and rat is alone is a animal. It's a mammal. So it is the odd option and it is the answer option also. For 205, option B. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 206. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternative. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22/1/2018 forenoon session. So here also we have to select the odd word. Option 1, grapes. Option 2, guava. Option 3, cauliflower. Option 4, orange. If you analyze this option, cauliflower is a vegetable and other things are fruits. So cauliflower is the answer option, option C. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 207. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. This question is asked in the year SSC JE 22nd January 2018 forenoon session. The options are option 1, goggle. What is a goggle? Glass we are using while swimming is known as a goggle. Purse. Option 3, accessories. Option 4, belt. What is the option here? Answer option here. If you look out closely, accessories is a generalized term. It is not a particular term. Whereas goggle and purse or belt are in particular term or in particular form, but accessories is a generalized term. Let us move on to the 208th question. In the following question, select the related word in the given alternatives. Pink is to color implies eagle is to dash is the question. The first option is black, second option symbol, third option bird and fourth option sky. So we have to find the thing here. Pink is a type of color, eagle is a type of animal. No, it's not an animal, it's a bird. You don't have to know the you don't have to mention the where it is flies. Sky and all is given. Sky is not a correct answer. Pink is a type of color, so eagle is a type of bird. That's it. That's the answer. So the answer for question number 208 is option C. Let's move on to the second last question. We are going to end this question paper now. That's it, guys. Listen carefully. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. There is an alternative here. Cactus is to plant implies rice is to question mark. So cactus is to plant implies rice is to question mark. Option 1, basmati. Option 2, crop. Option 3, white. Option 4, rabi. So what is the relation between cactus and plant? Cactus is a type of plant. In the same way, what is rice is the question here. Rice is a basmati. Basmati is a brand of rice. It is not the type of rice. Actually, it is a brand. It's not a type. There is difference between brand and type. So cactus is a plant. You must search in the same way what is it's for a rice. They have given an option called white. It's the color of a rice. It's not a type of a rice. In the rabi, talking about rabi is a another crop. It is not a type of rice. So the option which is remaining is rice is to crop. Crop is the option. The correct answer is option B, crop. Let us move to the final question. And yes guys, this is the last question in the previous year question papers of SSC JEE. We are completing it now. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. Rain is to cloud implies dash. Option A, rice is to food. Option B, grey is to color. Option 3, heat to sun. Option 4, snow is to mountain. What is the relation between rain is to clouds? What rain are caused by clouds? So generally, what causes another thing is the question here. Rice is to food. There is no relation. Grey is to color. Grey is a type of color. Snow is to mountains. Snow is a thing we can find in mountains. Heat is to sun. Here is the option we were searching for. Heat is to sun. Heat is the thing which is caused by sun. So with this last question 210, we have completed each and every question so far asked in SSC JEE question papers, and we have done it well. The session was good, I think. I hope so. If you need any further classification, you can mention here. And thank you, students.